Hello, welcome to Brodie's Computer Support. Welcome back. If you've been following through, we're now up to Packet Tracer Ccna 1 Lab 4.2.4.4, which is connecting a wide and wireless LAN. Alright, so we'll just enlarge that as I do, have a scroll through, see what they want done. Okay. I'll take this onto a different screen. Alright, so part 1, connect to the cloud. Connect the cloud to router 0. Cloud here to router 0. Alright, so you want to choose this connection lightning bolt here, then go to, at the bottom left, click the orange lightning icon to open the available connections. Alright, choose the correct cable to connect. So use a copper straight through, and it wants Ethernet 6 on here to fast Ethernet 00 there. Alright, yeah, that's correct. It's got the 10 points for it. Alright, choose the correct cable to connect the router. Sorry, just did that one. Alright, connect the cloud to cable modem. Choose the correct cable to connect cloud coax 7 to modem port 0. Alright, so if it's the correct cable, the lights turn green. Alright, so I'm going to go from the cloud to the cable modem, so we need octal serial, got one here. So the cloud wants coax 7 to port 0, and there you go, that's correct. Part 2, connect router 0. Connect router 0 to router 1. Choose the correct cable. So that's serial. Okay. So we want a serial cable. And on this one, router 0000 to just like that. That's fine. Now connect router 0 to netacad.pka, which is a server down here. That'll be a crossover. So it says fast 0 Ethernet 01 to that. That's correct. So routers and computers traditionally use the same wires to transmit 1 and 2 and receive 3 and 6. The correct cable to choose consists of these crossed wires. Although many NICs can now auto-send which pair is used to transmit and receive, router 0 and netacad do not have auto-sensing NICs. That's why we use the copper crossover. Otherwise, traditionally it wouldn't really matter. Alright. Anyway, connect router 0 to the configuration terminal. So that'll be the same again. Choose correct cable to connect router 0 console. So it's a console cable. So we're going to actually console in. That's done. Part 3, connect remaining devices. So connect router 1 to the switch. It wants me to use fast Ethernet 01 to switch fast Ethernet 01. I just So that's what it says. Choose cable. It's router 1 to switch. Alright. So, am I not on the right cable? Straight through. Fast Ethernet 01. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Let's phone. I'm gonna come back to that. That's a bit weird. Connect cable modem to wireless router. So modem port 1 to wireless router. Ethernet 1. Okay, so Ethernet 1. Wireless router. Choose correct cable to connect modem port 1. So the port 1 on the modem. Internet port. There we go. If you touch the correct cable, the lights turn green. Connect wireless router to the family PC. So choose the correct cable to connect wireless router Ethernet 1 to the family PC. Ethernet 1, family PC. So we've just got to do this one here, the switch. It has to be a straight through. You know, we'll do a crossover. So on the router, let's just need to see where it wants me to. Yeah, so it says fast Ethernet 01. Maybe it wants me to use a 5, that can't make sense. Yeah, so I thought. Doesn't make sense. Octal. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. This might be a glitch because that should work. It definitely is not going to work. Because usually you just use a copper straight through. Oh. There we go. I did not read that properly at all. So that's done. It actually wanted the fiber cable running through. Should have picked that up straight away. But anyway, that's the fun things about Packet Tracer. The little, like, they'll throw you off and then you're like, oh shit, it was that simple. So there you go. That lab is complete. Sorry for the confusion. I just didn't read it properly. I should have realized why that symbol. Where is it? Oh, it's because I'm using it. It's actually a fiber symbol. But anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and to help support the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.